Question 20, we've been asked to draw a graph to display this data. Now, this data could mean anything. It could be the height of a plant, maybe, that you're growing after 6 months. So obviously after 1 month, it'd be quite short, and then it's growing after 6 months to be 36 centimeters. So it could be the height of like a tomato plant or something like that, or a sunflower, maybe something like that. So what we need to do is decide what numbers we're going to put on the axes, which axis is going to go along the bottom, which axis is going to go up the side, etc., etc. So what I would suggest is that we would put the month along the bottom, and seeing we've only got 6 months to do, we could just squash them up and go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm actually going to spread it out. I'm going to go every 2 squares is 1 month. So 0, 1 month, another 2 squares, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Just to spread it out so it's not as squashed up. Then we need to get some numbers up the side for the height. So if we just call this one height, now we've got to go up to 36. So what we could do is go up every 2 squares is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. It isn't the only way you could go up. I mean, you might have more squares on your paper if you were doing this in a book. So that's just so I can fit mine on. There's always more than one way of doing this. And then we start plotting. So 1 month is, after 1 month, the plant was 3 centimeters high. So there's 1 month. 5 would be here. So 3 would be about there. After 2 months, it was on 5. So 2 months would be 5. 3 months would be 10. 4 months is shot up a bit to 20. 5 months is 35. Well, there's 30. There's 40. So 35 is in between. And 6 months, 36. That's just a tiny bit more than 35. So it'd be about like that. And then all we've got to do then is join the whole thing together. So I would get my ruler and I would start joining together like so. There we go. Obviously, you guys should do this with a ruler. Get all the way back like that. And that would be my line graph.